Spring is here, time to fix our gear. Cut that out. Okay, so I picked up this Honda for 20 bucks. I got it running, it runs great. But when I was testing out the self-propel mechanism, I could tell the right wheel is pulling much harder than the left wheel, and it's kind of pulling it off center. You can kind of see what I mean. It's kind of veering off to the left there. So let's get it up on the table. I'll show you what's going on. Okay, so I'm going to pull these wheels off. 13 millimeter. Comes right off. No damage there. That looks all good. Get that wheel right there. You can see it's clearly being eaten away. So I have the gears here, and it came with a scary little package of springs and little metal keys. So let's get those on. All right, so it's just a snap ring on here. That snap ring went flying. Good thing it came with extras. So with snap ring off, this washer will come off. Okay, then the gear. I'll show you side by side. There's a little key that came out, and the spring is down in there. So there's a side by side. You can definitely see what happened there. Clean off some of that rust. All right, so I'm going to put a little dollop of grease on there. All right, so these little metal keys, they do go in rounded side down. If you flip them upside down, it won't work properly. The wheels will get locked up when you try to turn the wheel. I'll show you what I mean by that key has to be moon side down. It has to be able to ratchet like this. So when you go in reverse, this wheel will still spin. It won't be locked up with the other one. I'll show you if it's on upside down how it'll act. You see if it's on upside down, it doesn't ratchet. All right, so the right wheel is on properly. The left wheel is backwards. This is how it'll act. So properly, you can turn it backwards. All right, we're good to go on this thing. I'm gonna get it listed. I paid 20 bucks for it. Half a quart of oil into a new spark plug. Sharpen the blades. The little gears for the wheels were $8. And I already sold them like this for $300 just a few days ago, so I know I can get that. Thanks for watching.